Are you feeling stuck between paying your child's school fees and covering your parents' medical bills? You're not alone. Today, we're talking about the sandwich generation, people in their 30s to 50s juggling the care of both children and aging parents, all while trying to save for their own future. In this video, we will uncover the following. What makes the sandwich generation unique and why it's growing in India? The challenges this group faces on a daily basis. Most importantly, the solutions. Practical steps to reduce your load emotionally and financially. So stick around till the end of the video. So what's making life harder for the sandwich generation today? Firstly, this isn't entirely new. India's strong family culture has always seen generations support one another. But here's the twist. Modern pressures are adding extra weight. According to the 2019 Cigna Well-Being Survey, 89% of Indians in this group report high stress and less than half feel financially secure. Why? Let's break it down. Firstly, longer lifespans mean parents need care for more years thanks to advances in healthcare. It's definitely a blessing coupled with responsibility. Secondly, people are having kids much later. Imagine being 40 with young children and parents in their 70s needing medical attention. Lastly, inflation is no joke. Whether it's school fees, rising medical costs, or everyday expenses, money doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Take Ramesh, a 42-year-old from Mumbai. His father recently moved in due to health issues just as his teenage daughter started preparing for expensive college applications. He is now stretched emotionally and financially. That being said, let's dig into the challenges faced by the ones who fall into this generation. The emotional stress that comes with juggling responsibilities for your own loved ones is unparalleled. This is aggravated by the financial strain that this generation is subject to. A family from Bangalore shared how they had to dip into retirement savings to cover their son's overseas education and their mother's medical bills in the same year. This is not sustainable, but here are the solutions. Let's face it, being in the sandwich generation isn't easy, but there are ways to lighten the load, both emotionally and financially. Emotionally, it starts with taking care of yourself. Prioritize self-care through activities like journaling or socializing to recharge yourself. Delegating tasks such as hiring help for elderly care can reduce stress while also maintaining balance. Open communication with loved ones and seeking professional support when needed fosters emotional resilience and a healthier family dynamic. Now, for the most important part, the ultimate financial game plan. Here's what you can do. First things first, create an emergency fund that covers at least 6 to 12 months of expenses. Life is unpredictable. This will act as your safety net for unexpected expenses. Common mistakes the sandwich generation makes include taking on large loans, such as home loans, without sufficient planning. For instance, a 42-year-old working professional in Mumbai financed their dream home with a hefty EMI, only to find themselves struggling to manage rising costs of living, school fees for children, and healthcare expenses for aging parents. These loans come with high interest rates, and when coupled with inflation, they can spiral into a debt trap. Do not fall for this at any cost. Other common mistakes include overlooking health insurance for parents or relying solely on employer-provided insurance. Opt for family floater plans, separate health insurance for senior citizens, appropriate term insurance with necessary riders. Lastly, this generation neglects their retirement planning. Many focus so much on immediate expenses that they fail to save for their own future, risking financial insecurity in old age. But how is it that you can avoid these pitfalls? Start by setting clear financial goals and segregating them into long-term, medium-term, and short-term categories based on their importance. Long-term goals might include saving for children's higher education or your retirement, which is of high importance. Medium-term goals may include planning for a vacation or upgrading your car, which is of moderate importance. Short-term goals can include building an emergency fund or paying for minor home repairs which are urgent but have lower financial commitment. For example, if saving 50 lakh rupees for your child's education is a long-term goal, this would demand investments in options like equity mutual funds or SIPs, which have higher growth potential over time. Conversely, planning for a vacation in 2 to 3 years may call for safer, more liquid options like short-term fixed deposits or debt funds. Now that you have classified your goals based on their time period and importance, let's talk about the asset allocation. To achieve these goals, balance your investments between risk and safety. Your portfolio cannot be overly aggressive as it risks capital loss, not too conservative as it may not keep up with inflation. For instance, allocate long-term goals to equity-based investments like equity mutual funds and PS for growth. Allocate medium-term goals to a balance of debt and equity for moderate growth and lower risk. Short-term goals need you to prioritize liquidity and high-interest savings or liquid mutual funds. You just need to get one thing right. Long-term investments for long-term goals and short-term investments for short-term goals. Lastly, consistency is key. Stepping up your investments annually as your income grows ensures you stay ahead of inflation and closer to your goals. Stick to your financial plan, review it periodically, and adjust based on any significant life changes. The sandwich generation faces unique challenges, but with the right strategies, balance is definitely possible. Take it one step at a time. Plan finances, share responsibilities, and don't forget to take care of yourself. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need it. Do let us know your views and queries on the sandwich generations in the comments below. See you in the next video.